Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to create t-shirt designs on Canva to sell in 2023 as a beginner. Canva is one of the best platforms to get started in the print and demand business, as you can get started for completely free, and also with their numerous tools they make it quite easy for anyone to do. But before going on to Canva, what I would recommend you do is select the platform that you would like to start doing print and demand on. And for this example, we'll be using Printify. Why I recommend that you go on the platform that you're going to be uploading your design on first is because each design has different dimensions or specifications that they would like your artwork or your design to be. So you can start off with Printify, as Printify is completely free to use and you will only pay, or better yet, they'll only take a commission once you get a sale. As you can see right here, you can get started for free. So on Printify, for this example, we'll be selling t-shirts. So I'll simply tap on t-shirts right here. After selecting t-shirts, you can scroll down and you can select what style t-shirt you'd want. So for this example, I'll use the cotton tee right here. After tapping on the cotton tee, all you'll need now is to simply scroll down, as we want to find out the dimensions if we are going to start uploading. So what we are going to do is tap on Start Designing right here. After we have selected Start Designing, we'll be redirected to this page, and from here what we are going to do next is scroll down to see the print file requirements. And as you can see right here, the print area is 45,000, or better yet 4500 by 5100 right here. So all we'll need to do now is go back onto Canva. Then we are going to go over to the top right hand corner, and right where you see custom size, we are going to enter the custom size, which is 4500 by 5100. Then we are going to tap on Create Now. And after we have done that, it will redirect us to this page on which we can start our design. Just give it a few seconds to load up. And you can see the canvas right here. This is our canvas. Now all we'll need to do is go over to the left hand menu option, and from here you will see the different options. You have design at the top, you also have elements, and you have uploads, text, and you can also scroll down, and if you would like to use, for example, their text to image, you can use it. That's the option at the last right there. But for now, all we'll be using is the elements. So we'll go into elements, and let's say, for example, you'd like to add a tree to your design. All you have to do is tap in the search bar. Then you're going to type in 3. Then you'll simply tap on it. And from here, you can see the different trees that you can add. You can tap on any one. So for this example, I'll select this one right here. And once you have added the tree, you can increase or decrease the size. Then all you have to do now, if you would like to add text, you can add text to it also. All you'll need to do is go over to the left hand menu option, then tap on text, and from here I'd like to add a heading. So we are going to go here, and let me drag it up. Then we'll type in a text. And you can also change the text size and the font style by going over to the top left hand corner. And from here you can select the font that you would like to use. So let's say, for example, I want to use this font right here, or better yet, this font. Give it something different. You can also change the size of the font. You can change the color of the font if you want also. So let's say I want to change the color of the font to a blue. I can do that by tapping on the font color right there. And if you would like to add other elements, you can. As I said, all you have to do is go over to the left hand menu option, select elements, then you'll simply type in what you would like to use. So let's say, for example, I want to add a shovel also. I could type in shovel. Then once I've typed in shovel, you will see different shovels that you can add. And then I'll simply tap on the one that I like to add. Then I could place it in the corner right here probably. And I can minimize the size by simply dragging on the box, as you can see right here. Then let's say I want to add soil also. I could type in soil. Then I could tap on the soil. Then I could drag the soil to the next end. And again, I can drag the size right there. And once it is finished and to your liking, all you'll have to do now is go over to the top right hand corner and you're going to select share. After selecting share, you're going to scroll down and you're going to tap on download. But before doing that, let me see if they have any specifications on which the design has to be, maximum and the print area, maximum resolutions, and you can see JPG and PNG is supported. So now we'll go back into Canva. So this is PNG, so it is supported. So all you have to do now, you could select transparent background if you are using the Pro plan on Canva. But since I'm not using the Pro plan, all I'll have to do is tap on download. And once it has been downloaded, what I would recommend you do is go into your browser and you're going to type in remove.bg, as we'll need to remove the background. So you're going to go into remove.bg. Then you'll simply drag the image that we have downloaded on Canva. And you're going to select download. After you have downloaded the image, you're going to go back into Printify. Then from here, you're going to simply see right where you see my device right here. You're going to tap on that. Then you're going to find the image that you have downloaded. So you're going to tap on downloads. After you have tapped on downloads, you're going to select the image. So here is the image. Then you'll tap on open. And you'll give it a few seconds. Meanwhile, your design is being uploaded, as you can see right here. And from here, you'll be able to increase the width and height, or you can simply pull it along to increase the width and height, as you can see right here. And you can see how it will look. This is it. Then you'll simply tap on Save Product and give it a few seconds. After you have done that, you can see the preview of your image on different designs, or better yet different t-shirts. As you can see right there, different mockups, and you could choose the image that you would like to use as your main mockup. As you can see right there, you can choose the mockup that you would like to use. Then you'll simply tap on save and publish, and you can also add a description right here if you want on Printify. And you can also choose the sizes that you would like it to sell in, and you can also set your prices so you'll be able to make a good profit. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.